If you want to make money from active trading, you may have to quit your job since the stock market operates only on weekends, overlapping with most work schedules. Many online sources claim that OTC market is extremely risky. That is simulated trading where broker manipulate prices. Today I will trade live on the market. Watch this video till the end to see how it's really work. Alright, time to set up our trading system. We will need the Supertrend and Vortex indicators. From the first one, we are adjusting parameters immediately, circling, increasing the ATR periods to 12 to enhance signal accuracy. For Vortex, we are changing input to 16. Make sure to replicate this one on your end. Our study is now ready. Let's break it down. It's incredibly simple, guys. Here are the entry conditions. Supertrend display buy sell makers indicating market transactions between bullish and bearish phase. We simply follow these signals to track price direction. Green Supertrend long, red square trend short position. Vortex serves as our confirmation indicators. Its two lines coverage and diverse their relative positions is what matters. Green line on top, upward movement, red line dominating downward trend. You can see this clearly on the chart. Our perfect entry signals occurs when Supertrends and Vortex align. When both indicators agree, we open the trade. That's the entire strategy. Now we are ready to trade. I will change the asset and immediately open the first deal. First trade opportunity forming. I am expecting downwards movement based on three factors. The red Vortex line is positioned above the green. The price has been consolidating in the tight trading range and now broken downwards through support level. This type of breakout typically signals sustained downwards momentum, which we are already seeing developed. Which Supertrend red we can continually expert further downside. So today I plan to make a sustainable profit on OTC trading. The first advantage is its high profitability. Since trading occurs outside on exchange, the fees are lower because this approach is cheaper for brokers. They offer a higher percentage of profit, often exceeding 90%. I am not saying trade only OTC. Traditional forex pairs have their pros, but for maximum profit potential, OTC trading is hard to beat. Alright guys, first trade closed. Now scanning the next chart for opportunities. I will double my risk and now entering long. Here's the analysis of the situation. Green Vortex line is dominant. Supertrend triggered a fresh buy signals and the asset hasn't yet reached its key resistance level. It couldn't broken through the early but failed. Now we are seeing another attempt and this one strong potential. Even if the chart reverses later, we will already be out of the trade. Another advantage of OTC trading is that it's available on weekends. While traditional markets are closed Saturday, Sunday, OTC market keep running. Want practice? You can trade anytime, day or night. The key is having a solid strategy and strict risk management. The reset comes with experience. Whether you trade exchange list pair or OTC instruments, what matters most is how you trade them. Just lock in another profit. Team, switching charts now. Break with more trade shortly. Entering another long position here. The market is confirming with identical signals. First bullish Vortex, crossover red line, breaking upward. Second, the Supertrend is the growth phase, just like overall market. The asset need to reach this key level, which we are waiting for. Overall, the price is currently in a growth phase up to this level. The asset has started reversing, and such a smooth transition always indicates potential for a complete trend shift. Sellers are losing strength with less selling pressure. Buyers are now taking control. I break down this market detail in my Telegram channel where I also share my personal trade signals. If you are looking to level up your trade to pro status, check the link in the description. Another profitable trade, guys. Let's do one more. For today, I will set it up on a different chart. Alright, I am going short here. Let me walk you through the setup. Both Supertrends and Vortex confirm bearish movement and the asset is now breaking down through this key uptrend line right here. That's the critical point. We got a clear trend structure break. Now the chart needs to reach this level. This is our final trade. With a risk of $2,000, I can afford it because I am well in profit. However, I recommended that beginners avoid risking such larger amount at the start. At minimum, you should maintain capital for 10-20 traders, but the professional approach is to always risk only 2 to 3% of your account balance per trade. Trade update. My position is developing as expected. I am preparing for a potential loss exit, but this is a manageable situation. Okay, adjusting strategy, increasing risk exposure to $3,000 based on signal conviction. Market condition remain unchanged and I anticipated full recovery of the downtown. No analysis update currently. We are patiently waiting for the market to start moving in the line with the current signal. Many beginners blame their OTC broker for price manipulating in situations like this, but usually the issue lies in their own trading mistake. It's just easier to blame external factors. My counter question is always, are you constantly profitable with exchange trades? Quotes either, and the answer is usually no. I almost trade on exchange trade quotes because I want to dedicate weekends to my family, but when I started, I practiced trading whenever possible, including OTC market. As you can see, profitability is a possible way there too with the right approach. Just closed another winning trade, $3,000 net profit, fully recovered the earlier loss. Net gain meets my daily target. Let's recap today key takeaway. Today I will show that OTC trading is no different from trading standard exchange listed pair. Your success doesn't depend on the asset type, but on having a solid strategy and skill. The trading system demonstrated in this video absolutely work long term, so feel free to use it in financial instruments. Join my Telegram channel, link in the description. As always, I encourage you like the videos, subscribe to my channel. I personally rewarded for me and helps to improve, promote content on YouTube. I look forward to your achieved participation. Bye for now. See you in the next video. Bye for now. See you in the next video.